Hey guys, welcome back to another why did you hide? Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me and the girlies today. Say hi, girlies. She's hiding. Yeah, so we decided to get out the house today. I took him to the park, but I'm still kind of skeptic. I got my, my sanitary stuff, but yeah, sorry, man, I blocked the camera. I'm using my phone. So yeah, I said I'll get out the house for a little bit, take them to the park, let them walk around. It's not as cold today, so we're just chilling. Yeah?
I want to go to kids' playground.
She wants to go play on the thingamajig. So we might, hold on. There's nobody here. There's like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, including my car. Like 4 vehicles here. Yeah, we're just here. I was thinking, get out of the house for a little bit, get a little sun. The sun is out. Yes, sun a shine on this winter's day.
I want to go to the
yeah,
park.
girl, would you hold on and wait? And I brought my little, I don't know if I told you guys about it yet. Where is it? My gimbal. So I had got this gimbal that I had ordered on Amazon a while back. I don't know if I had told y'all about it, so I'm going to use it. My pictures and my little workout videos, you guys follow me on Instagram. I was doing my 14-day sit-up challenge. It ended at the beginning of the week. Yeah, I completed that. So whenever I film, I think in some of my Instagram stuff and my photos, that this is what I use to take my photos or record. It is so cool. It has a remote control, and I'm going to use it on my phone today, so I can't wait. I have used it before, but I haven't used it in a vlog. I haven't put them load. But yeah, sky looks nice. It's not as cold, and we're ready to go walk. You guys ready to stretch your legs? No? Y'all can't be cooped up in the house all the time.
I want to go play.
You want to go play? All right. Why you look so cute today? You guys look cute all the time, but my baby's about to be 10, y'all. I can't. I really can't.
Me and I'm about to be 7.
Yeah, not you. Well, you are my baby too. Oh my God. Do you see how they play me? If I say something nice about one, I have to say it about the other. I'm like, come on, you guys are 2 separate kids. I have to treat y'all differently. But at the same time, you're 2 different individuals. But I love you both equally. You get what I'm saying? All right, let's go, because I sit up myself right now. But yeah, let me show y'all the sky real quick. It's so boring to look at. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's how you feel. This is God's work. Look up. What are you talking about? All right, let's go. Okay. So as y'all can see, I have y'all set up on the gimbal. And the kitties are right there. It's just us. But the sun, though, I feel wonderful. This is all they wanted. This is all they wanted. I'm setting up a little bit. Wasn't that fun? Yay. All right, come on. Please, let's do something else. Ooh, that sun. Cooking. There you go. Come on. Let's walkity walk. And we're walking. Oh, look at that sun, baby. Why are you yelling, though? Jesus. Oh, look at that sun, baby. Sun is giving me realness right now. How are you? Come on, girls. That lady, she was telling me that there's... How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. She was so sweet. She was telling me that there's, I guess somebody was smoking and left it on the ground and she didn't want the girls to know. So she was trying to tell me. I was like, that was so sweet. Oh. Nothing. Put on your coat, sweetie. Come on. All right, so. Alrighty, so we're coming back. How many grapes left? I thought you were ate all already. We're walking back. I did promise them they can go on the swing again before we leave, but we just walked and took some photos, and I think we made a TikTok. I don't know how. If y'all wanna see that, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. No, we're not going the wrong way. They're all the same, just Natasha. But yeah, we met this sweet little lady with her dog. We kept social distancing. Yeah, but yeah, Aaliyah saw the doggy and she wanted to say hi. In the next clip.
Bye.
Hey y'all, so this is some footage I have from a few days ago when Dollar General had all their holiday items and like air fresheners and candles for 25 cents. I went to a few different Dollar Generals. I scored quite a few things. You'll see them in the previous clip, but this was like a scavenger hunt because when I went there, everything was practically gone. But I think this was my second store, but yeah, I didn't record a lot, but the few things I did score I will show you guys in the next clip.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, so next day, and I am here making pancakes for the ladies, for the girls, and I'm here drinking my water. Stay hydrated, y'all. It's not as big. Well, no, it is big like the ones I've seen, but they have bigger ones. And for $3, yes, I just refill this like maybe twice a day, sometimes 2.5, kinda, because I can finish this in no time. But I always put ice in mine because I like my water cold. Oh, don't burn the pancakes. Don't burn the pancakes. But yeah, they said these was gonna be fluffy and they're not. And just, but I'm going to finish these pancakes and I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me.
Of the authors that we had on it, but his ability to
That's the right one, right?
the questions that really
So it's good for hamsters and stuff like that.
the person who interviewed it. And I should just tell you, we love Larry. We just love Larry King.
We sure do. Tanya, thank you so much. Good to see you, and thank you so much for sharing your very,
I know. I just got something.
the great Larry
This
King.
is not as thick as the other one though.
It's okay. It still works. That's the only one they had. Hubby's cleaning Furby's thing. Do you think? Oh, make it.
I want to keep the hole small so it's easier to close.
Okay.
Start your new year off in a
Alright, so hubby's doing that.
Get 0% APR financing for up to 72 months.
Put him as soon as I put him high, I see half a poop. Put him up high. He can't get down. Give him his foodie. So this is Furby. Sorry, Mr. Furby. I still can't find a ball for him. No. Where you going? You gonna fall. This little thing, I am terrified of like rats and all that stuff. But he has grown on me. This is Cookie's little post. But Mr. Furby's on it right now because Cookie's in timeout. And just like that, Mr. Furby is all clean.
And he's very angry.
Yeah.
He's like, hey, get me out of here.
He's trying to escape, so a little trick, because they can squeeze through anything, put tape on the little corners.
His hamsters can escape lots of
She squeezed through this right here before. Don't mind me, honey, Ashi.
Wait, squeeze?
Yeah, she squeezed. Ask Daddy. Where did you say he squeezed through again? Right here?
What the?
Yeah. Your
No,
time.
it's right here, but I bent
Right
it
here?
up a little so you can't get through.
Yeah, squeezed through right here. So, he's all clean. Hubby's...
Yep, he's clean.
What are you doing? Oh, okay, guys. So, I am trying to end the vlog right now, but this thing doesn't want me to be great. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlog. It's just a chill time for us. Nothing exciting happening, but we're just here, and I just wanted to share those little bits and pieces of how our week went. Certain things I didn't add, like for instance, virtual learning, being in class, all that stuff. That takes a lot out of me, so I cannot record. That's just going to distract me. But I did show you guys the bits and pieces of what I did or what we did throughout the week. My coffee all done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.